Ever walked into a room and forgot to turn off the lights later? This small sensor fixes that automatically and saves electricity in offices. People are paying 1500 plus for this product, but I built it for under 500. You can also build it yourself using Arduino and this cost efficient PIR sensor module. The moment my lights turned on automatically when I walked in, I knew this was worth building. Let's move to the crazy part of building this stuff step by step. I decided to develop the simulation circuit in Proteus before moving to the real hardware. Circuit is very simple. The switch right over here is the PIR sensor in simulation and rest is the Arduino with the relay circuit for controlling the 230 volt appliance. It is done with the Proteus simulation circuit. Now I am moving towards the Arduino IDE for developing the programming part. The programming logic is very simple. It is just checking for the signal input from the sensor and it is powering up the lamp with a certain delay, after which it will turn off the lamp. That's it. Programming is done. Here in the simulation Arduino, I am loading the hex file generated from the Arduino IDE. When I trigger the PIR sensor switch, the output is triggered. That's simple, as we got the output in the simulation Proteus circuit. Now let's jump into the real hardware schematic, and it is also similar to the simulation circuit except that we will be connecting real PIR sensor in place of switch in the simulation. And rest of the circuit is direct driving of relay for appliance powering. Then after finalizing the circuit, I started the assembling of the circuit. I used this dot board as the base for the project, this PVC box as the casing for the product. And for powering up the appliances, I just utilize a miniature SMBS, that is a 5 volt 0.6 amps, that is 3 watt SMBS, which can be placed inside this PVC box so that the product looks compact. The relay connections are simple. I will pass the phase line of the product from common to NO terminal of relay. And that's it about the circuit building. The circuit is done. But it's not the hardest part. I struggled a lot for assembling this board into the PVC box case. In the top cap of the PVC box, I assembled the PIR sensor, and inside the box, I placed all the other circuit components so that it looks like a complete product inside the box. The final assembly is done and the product automatic human detection system light is ready. Connection is also very simple. In this connector, I need to provide the phase and neutral from the mains, and in the other terminal connector, I can connect the light bulbs, phase and neutral terminals, and you are done with the connections. Before installing the PIR sensor, fine-tune the pot in the sensor for range accuracy and timing accuracy as per your sensitivity need. And this is the output of the project. It is working fine. This is the automatic human detection product installed in my room and it is working well. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. For code and schematic, just refer the description of this video, and for more videos like this, like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.